Purchasing a new Toyota is a great feeling, and Toyota wants you to have that same great feeling each time you service your vehicle. ToyotaCare is a no-cost maintenance plan included with every new purchase of a Toyota, covering 2 years or 25,000 miles of maintenance, whichever comes first. Plus, you receive 2 years of no-cost roadside assistance. ToyotaCare covers oil and filter changes, tire rotations, and multi-point inspection of your brakes, battery, and more. Our factory-trained technicians are ready to assist you during every service visit, and recommended maintenances are completed at no cost. The 24-hour roadside assistance covers battery jump starts, lockout protection, and even emergency fuel deliveries when the unexpected happens. ToyotaCare is more than a no-cost maintenance plan. It also provides you peace of mind knowing that your vehicle's complete history is available at any Toyota dealership. And best of all, Toyota will send you reminders when a maintenance is needed. For additional information regarding ToyotaCare, please call Conicelli at 888-289-5948. Conicelli, a nice place to do business.